Hey, my name is Brian Hendrickson, and I'm going to walk you through installing the Social Web open source feed reader app on Apple Store for iPhone and also on the Amazon Marketplace. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. On the App Store, we've got this mobile app, and then over on Amazon Marketplace, we have a open source backend app. This is on Amazon free tier, so I'm going to click to install. And so I'm going to choose CloudFormation template, and the latest version is 1.3.32. Okay. So we're going to scroll down. We're going to accept the defaults here. And you can put anything for this name. I'm just going to use social web. On parameters, you can just choose the default option, and any one of these options will work for VPC and subnet. And then on the IP address range, you're going to want to use this 0.0 value. Copy it, paste it into here. And then choose T2 micro and give yourself a domain name. So I'm going to do demo phone dot social web. Scroll down here, check this box, click next. Scroll to the bottom here, click submit. Alright, so now the server is being created. This takes a couple minutes, so I'm going to quickly switch over to the mobile app and show you what that looks like. Here's the App Store listing. So once you've installed the backend open source app, then you'll be able to open this up and log in to your, I'm going to click this advanced options here. I think I named it demo-phone dot installation here. Create in progress. Should be a little refresh circle here. I'm going to click that. Okay, this screen's a little. Okay, you can see now it says social web create complete. So what I can do now is I got to scroll down. I got to find these tabs and go left to right and find the outputs tab. Click on that. That's new cloud instance. So I'm going to copy that. Now what I need to do is go add a domain name. So I'm going to go over to my DNS control panel. I'm going to call this demo-phone. Paste in my IP address. Make sure I'm creating an A record here. Yep. Click create record. Okay, it looks like that worked. Okay, go back to my tab here. I'm going to scroll down. This is a little tricky to navigate here. And I need to copy this command. It's a little awkward. I haven't done this on my phone yet, but let's try this. I need to copy this little command right here. It starts with /home and ends with ssl.sh. That's going to help me set up my SSL certificate on my new server. So I copied that. Now I'm going to look for a different tab here. Got these tabs, outputs. I'm going to scroll to resources, or click on this resources tab. That's going to show me what my web server instance. I'm going to click on this little link right here next to web server instance. And this is going to show me my list of instances. It says no matching instances found. That means I need to hit this little refresh circle up here. And there's my web server instance. Alright, so I'm going to check this box next to it. And then I'm going to find this connect button up at the top. Click connect. Scroll to the bottom here. Click connect on this. And now this is going to let me paste that command to create the SSL certificate. So I'm going to tap on this background here, scroll down, see if I can click and hold. Set up home social web ssl-setup.sh return. Okay, that's a little bit challenging. You gotta type that in 2 times, but now it says SSL setup complete. Okay, that means that my server should be ready to check out. So I'm gonna make a new tab. Just go here, demo-phone. I'm going to click sign up. And what I want to do is I want to create a group chat with my friends. So down at the bottom, you can see there is a pen. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to type in my friend's email address. And that's going to create a direct message group or group chat with my friend. I can add more friends also. Let's see if I can show you that. If I click on the ... on the right, I can add another person to this group chat. Okay, now I've got my server set up and I created a group, so I'm going to log into this new server from the mobile app. Here. Yeah, it looks like I'm logged in. There we go, I can see my group chat. And I don't have any feeds yet, so I'm going to try subscribing to a feed here. If I pull down to refresh here. Thanks for watching my demo.